How to add IFTA gallons in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Click on IFTA to access the IFTA feature. Kindly note that the IFTA feature is only accessible through the Premium Plus plan. Under IFTA, select Trips to add gallons. IFTA will work if and only if driver has truck assigned and device is connected to logbook app while driving. The Active Trucks tab will display all currently available or added trucks in your account. The Deleted Trucks tab will show trucks that have been deleted from the account. Choose the specific truck for which you want to add gallons. Select the desired date range. The list will include details such as the date, state, odometer readings, distance covered in each state, and gallons. To add gallons, locate the desired state, and under the Gallons section click on Add. Enter the amount and quantity of gallons, then click on Add. Yay! The gallons have been successfully added.